Good morning, class 10 student. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will continue the previous topic, that is trigonometric identities. Here is one question. We have to prove that cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A equal to cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Let us solve this one. LHS equal to how much? Here is what is cot A minus cos A by cot A plus cos A. Okay. Now we know that cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. It means cot A is your cos A by sin A minus cos A by here cos A by sin A, in place of cot A, cos A by sin A, in place of cot A, cos A by sin A, plus cos A. Now look here is cos A, here is cos A. So we just take common cos A, then what is left? Cos A common, 1 by sin A is here, 1 by sin A minus 1. Okay, in the denominator same thing, just cos A is common, cos A, then what is left? 1 by sin A plus 1. Okay, now cos A cancel each other. It means, and we know that 1 by sin equal to cosec. So 1 by sin A equal to cosec A minus 1 by, again here 1 by sin A equal to cosec A plus 1, which is equal to RHS. Okay, now move to the second question. Question number 2. Again prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equals to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. We have to prove this one. Okay, so LHS is your tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, so we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So look here, this one converted into sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here is plus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so now look here. Here is, leaving this one, is equal to, we can write here sin theta by cos theta upon, now look, here is LCM taken, so this is sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, because 1 by 1. Okay, LCM of sin theta and 1 is sin theta. 1 into sin theta equal to sin theta minus cos theta. Again same do here, cos theta by sin theta upon cos theta by sin theta upon, here is cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now look here. This sin theta and this sin theta multiplied each other. It means here is sin square theta and this cos theta come down. Here is again cos theta and cos theta, cos square theta, and this sin theta came down. It means here, what is here? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, here is plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now look here. Here is sin theta minus cos theta. If I am just taking here minus, then here is sin theta minus cos theta. So we can just take minus common. It means here sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus, I am just taking here minus, this is cos square theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now what is the LCM here? Sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Just taking here LCM, here is sin theta into cos theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, just taking here LCM. So cos, sin theta, cos theta cancel each other. What is left? Sin. Sin into sin square theta. It means here is sin cube theta. Again here sin theta minus cos theta cancel. What is left? Cos theta. Cos theta into cos square theta equal to cos cube theta. And we know that a cube minus b cube formula. Just putting here the formula. Here is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. It means sin theta plus cos theta within bracket sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta by here is sin theta cos theta within bracket, here is minus, so there is minus sin theta minus cos theta. Now look, sin theta minus cos theta cancel each other. So what is left here? Here is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Look, sin square theta plus cos square theta should be written as 1. So here is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. What is left here? Sin theta cos theta, and this is 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Now just separate 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. It means sin theta cos theta cancel. It means 1 here is 1 by sin equal to cosec, 1 by cos equal to sec. So this should be written as cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. Okay, either we can write 1 plus cosec theta into sec theta or 1 plus sec theta into cos theta, which is equal to R at S. Okay, now the third question. Look here in the question number 3. Here is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Now what to do here? We know that sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta and tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. It means what we have to do? We have to do this sin theta into tan theta. What to do? We have to divide by cos theta. So what to do here? Just divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. By cos theta. We have to divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. It means, look here, sin theta, each term, we have to divide each term by cos theta. It means sin theta by cos theta equal to, this is tan theta, minus cos theta by cos theta equal to 1 plus 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta by, look here, sin theta by cos theta equal to again tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta equal to 1 minus 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Okay, 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Now look, tan theta plus sec theta. Tan theta plus sec theta minus this one is separated. Okay. Now look here, just writing same thing. Tan theta minus plus 1 minus sec theta. Tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now look here, in place of 1, here is a formula sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. In place of 1, I am just writing here. Here is tan theta plus sec theta, or this should be written as sec theta plus tan theta plus is there, no matter so what, sec theta plus tan theta. Now in place of 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta by same thing, just writing here tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now look here. Here is sec square theta minus tan square theta. It means a square minus b square. This should be written as sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. Here is sec theta plus tan theta. Here is also sec theta plus tan theta. Just taking common, just writing here the formula. Sec theta into tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta minus. Here is should be written as sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now look here. Here is sec theta plus tan theta. Here is also sec theta plus tan theta. Taking common. Sec theta plus tan theta is common. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to, here is sec theta plus tan theta common. Then this is common, 1 minus, here is sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta taking common. What is left here? Minus this one there, that means sec theta minus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now look here, this is sec theta plus tan theta within bracket 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, minus plus tan theta by just sitting here. Here is 1 plus is there, 1 minus sec theta is here, minus sec theta plus tan theta. It means this one and this one is cancelled. Then what is left? Sec theta plus tan theta, which is equal to R at S. Okay, that's all for this exercise, this chapter. We will move after this chapter, the new chapter. Okay, bye bye.